Thinking about getting into custom apparel or personalized products? You've probably heard of DTF, direct-to-film printing. In this video, we break down what it is, how it works, and why it's perfect for beginners, especially if you're buying transfers from pros like us at Little Six Industries. What is DTF printing? DTF creates full-color designs on a clear film, which are then heat-pressed onto fabric. Unlike screen printing or vinyl, DTF handles fine details, gradients, and bold color on cotton, poly, blends, even leather and wood. No weeding, no color limits, no 10K printer required. We print the gang sheets. You press and profit. How it works. Step 1. Upload a high-res PNG with no background. Step 2. We print, apply powder adhesive, and cure it. Step 3. We ship it, ready to press. All you need, a heat press, not an iron or Cricut easy press, a flat surface, parchment paper, not wax paper. Press at 320 degree for 10-15 seconds. Peel cold. Then, here's the secret, do a second press with parchment for 5-10 seconds. It locks in color and boosts durability. Tips and tricks, use 300 DPI images, avoid complex edges, keep designs crisp and legible. Test before a large run, store sheets flat and dry. Why it's beginner friendly, no fancy equipment, no color theory, just a heat press and the right supplier. We print gang sheets from 22x24 to 22x120 inches, giving you plenty of space for your ideas. For small businesses and side hustlers, outfitting a team, launching a brand, or making gifts, DTF delivers pro results with zero mess, no screens, and no vinyl. We print, you press, you win. Ready to get started? Order your gang sheet today at Little Six Industries. And don't forget that second press, it makes all the difference. Little Six, America's swag.